here's a couple of tools I've made. This is the crucible holder and pourer. First add soap. Bolt here. Crucible's put into the holder. It's done. This bolt slides across and locks in place, allowing the pouring to this sort of angle, upside down even. Keep it all out. Crucible back down. Be picked up violently. Extra long pliers. Keeps the crucible at a fair distance. Long pliers. Which I just made, just a bit hot. Using a slide spinner. Fits nice and
Although you can call those sort of novelty records and
pour out the crap on top, going out the mold.
And that's something, although you want to do is very serious, and your tracks, quite heavy serious tracks, there's still an element of fun, still